So if you're thinking about ordering a Tesla, you better hurry up. We're going to go over exactly why, what has changed that may influence your decision in this video. And if you are considering getting a Tesla, consider going to the Amazon storefront in the description to get all of the accessories that you really need prior to your delivery. So point number 1 of 5, we're going to go over 5 crucial reasons. Number 1 being that the earnings call just happened for Tesla, and if you're waiting on there being a new Tesla, maybe new designs, a refresh coming out, well, Elon said at the very recent earnings call that there will be no new Teslas this year. So if you're waiting and holding out for some type of refresh or new version, the main goal of Tesla this year is to scale up production. If you were waiting on some type of big discount coming, remember when a lot of people, there was a lot of chatter from the administration on that thing called the EV tax credit. And we haven't seen any conversations about that recently because it is for all intensive purposes dead. So if you were waiting on getting a large tax credit from the federal level, the EV tax credit, it was $7,500 after you purchased your Tesla that you would get back. Well, that is no longer happening. So if you were waiting on that, there's really no signs that it is going to move forward anytime soon. What I can tell you is if it does, if there are big updates, we are going to keep you updated. But there are rebates at the state level. They're nowhere near as high. So if you were waiting on that EV tax credit, you might as well order your Tesla right now. So you shouldn't wait for any new Teslas or new features to come out this year. You're not going to get that EV tax credit, unfortunately. Point number 3, you might want to hurry up and order your car because now is the best time than ever to get your hands on a Tesla. So what do I really mean by that? Of course, there are no guarantees. There's so much demand for a Tesla, which we'll talk about in point number 4, so stick around for that. But now you have the highest chance than ever because of Giga Austin and Giga Berlin coming online just recently and beginning production. So especially if you're looking at the Model Y, that is the main vehicle being made out of Giga Austin. They just opened this new headquarters of Tesla very recently during Cyber Rodeo. And the main goal of Tesla is to increase their production of cars from around 1 million last year to 1.5 million this year. So there's more supply, which means there are more Teslas available. And that brings us into point number 4. Now, there are more Teslas available than ever, or there will be more available because of these new facilities. But now might be the exact time you really want to order your Tesla, and you might want to hurry up because there's more production, but there's also record high demand. So you can just see the year-over-year growth of Tesla's sales, both in Shanghai and here in the States. It's a worldwide demand increase, so you might want to consider ordering one just so you can get your hands on one. So look, a big controversy very recently was the mobile adapter. So if you're not aware of this, we did talk about this in other videos. I will keep it short, but it was included for free and now it's going to cost you $200. Yes, the only way to charge your car now comes as an extra cost, whereas before it was free. Orders after April 17th now are charged $200 if you elect to purchase the mobile connector. So maybe you're thinking, well, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna order my car now because I'm hoping that less people are ordering Teslas. I'm gonna wait until the demand goes down because of this decision with the mobile connector now costing you extra money. There should be plenty of Teslas available. Well, unfortunately, if you are waiting for that, it's probably not going to happen because we have seen record demands year over year and quarter over quarter. So even though the prices have increased, even though the mobile connector is not included, the Tesla demand is sky high. So just a cautionary point, let's talk about point number 5, why you should order right now if you're thinking about getting a Tesla. So point number 5 is more of my advice. I have owned my Model 3 since June of 2021, and here's what I would say. If you are on the fence, the prices we really can't control. You have a decision to make. Do I still want this vehicle? The mobile connector now costs you $200. But if it's within your budget, and only you know your budget, I would recommend to decide, is this car still worth it? A lot of people talk about, is it worth it? Well, go on a test drive. It's something I did not do, especially if you're thinking about, well, should I get the Model Y or should I get the Model 3? Should I get long range, performance? You understand what I'm saying. Go on a test drive, and that should convince you why now you might want to hurry up and order your car. You're going to fall in love with it, but you don't want to get behind the long line of people who already put in an order. So I definitely recommend, if you have time, go ahead and test drive a Tesla of your choice. So we learned a lot from the earnings call that just happened, coincidentally enough, on 4/20, where Elon talked about the goals of this year not being introducing new vehicles. So basically, we're stuck at a point right now where you look at the price, you look at there's no changes coming down the road anytime soon, at least this year, for a Tesla. And then maybe after a test drive, you can decide, well, I'm not going to get any type of credit. There are a few extra costs involved this year with the mobile connector. Do I still want a Tesla? In my opinion, if you do want one, you might as well hurry up and get one. So if you do have a Tesla, or you've already put in that order, or maybe you're thinking about ordering one, the only way I know that you got some value out of this video is to drop a like and consider subscribing for all of those updates that I talked about previously and future videos about Tesla. Again, my name is Matt from Frunk to Trunk. Consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next video.